First noodles, then after noodles, we put the ground sheep. I cook the ground sheep first. Look, it's already 30 minutes. It's cooked now. Look, the color, so yummy now. So I need to mix it. Then now, to be followed, we mix sauce for macarona. And now, guys, it's already boiling. We put salt and olive cooking oil. And we follow now the noodles. So we need to cut the noodles first. And put to the boiling like that. And we need to mix so that the noodles will not sticky. Okay, the purpose of the cooking oil is to not sticky the noodles. That's all, guys. So I wait 20 minutes or 15. This just a small heat only, and like that, and I cover it. And after 15 minutes, I stir the noodles because it's already cooked. And guys, to be followed the sauce of macarona. So we make macarona sauce now. Look, guys, our pasta is no more water and already smooth. All smooth already. To the strainer. So we mix sauce na. I'm back and we make macaroni sauce. So first tip is we put cream, full cream milk. Just 2 cans because they like more sauce, guys. 2 cans. How many grams is this? Whatever. I don't know how many grams. No, it's Arabic. I can't read. So I put this 2 nasal cream in English, and I put a small amount of mozzarella cheese, 1 spoon of cream cheese, 1 spoon, guys, and we put cooking cream. So guys, I mixed all ingredients well combined. Then it's already combined all. I put the noodles. The noodles already stand, and then after noodles we put the ground sheep. I cook the ground sheep first. Look, I put to the center. To the center, guys. So we need to put also that our macarona is very yummy. Macarona meat, then the other one, guys, like this. So we need to follow the sauce, our sauce, guys, like that. Like that. Then very sticky, guys. Very sticky. We follow the cheese. Look, guys, don't worry, later this is going to the under na. Then I put cheese. I put mozzarella cheese. Our finished product. Ayay! Guys, I put the mozzarella cheese. So we need to put to the oven in 30 minutes or 25 minutes, like that. If already brown, it means it's cooked already. So guys, I already opened the oven 10 minutes so that it's very hot now when I put the macaroni. We put it na, and we need to wait just 25 minutes. Macarona is done. Wow, so yummy na, guys. That's our macarona, our finished product today. So that's all. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Love you.